What are the top 5 best home renovations you can do now with a future resale in mind? Hi, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty. As a homeowner looking to sell, you may be wondering what home improvements you can do to help maximize your return on your investment. Well, let's take a look. 1. Paint color. Color is one of the most basic and appealing ways to update your space without breaking the bank. When choosing a color, it is always best to go with neutrals. 2. Curb appeal. We all know making a first impression is key. It is all about creating an inviting and visually appealing exterior that captivates everyone passing by. That is why having the exterior of your home updated with lighting, planning, and landscaping. All of these improvements will help elevate your curb appeal. 3. Ongoing maintenance. Home maintenance and repairs are crucial to ensure the value of the home. If you are unwilling to take on the repairs yourself, hire a professional. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards not only when you live there, but also when you go to market. 4. Kitchens and bathrooms. Although these two spaces can get costly to renovate, they are often the first area buyers critique and scrutinize when buying a home. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars to renovate. Simple things like updating the cabinets or appliances and adding new fixtures can add value. 5. Scents. Make sure your home passes the smell test. No one likes a smelly home. Make sure your carpets stay clean and maintained. No exterior garbage or anything that may create odors. Please reach out to me so I can help assist and guide you through this ever-changing market. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty. It's your journey. We're here to help.